Hey y'all, what y'all doing? Hey y'all, hey. This is a Subway pizza y'all I got. Subway pizza. Subway pizza. Come coconut. Curtis. Come taste it here. Up to me like that. I'm eating a Subway pizza. This is my first meal for the day, y'all. No, I'm gonna give you a little bit, that's all I got. But I'm being nice to share with you. Taste that for me. Taste it, see? And it's very small. Now, there we go. This is what I'm gonna eat out right here. Curtis tasting it. Give me camera. Let them know how it tastes. I got meat on it, bell pepper, y'all, onions, and I got some olives on it too.
That's a good
Subway pizza, y'all, but it's a veggie pizza, y'all. So
it's good, really.
it was supposed to be a veggie pizza, y'all, but you know, I told them to add me some little meat, y'all. Okay.
So yeah, that's
On
really,
mine.
that's really good, y'all. 10 out of 10.
It's good. Subway pizza. Olives on it and chicken on it. Red peppered onions and cheese. Mozzarella cheese. How y'all doing? Y'all so hungry. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Y'all, my sister had put me on y'all to this right here. She don't eat meat, so she say I want a veggie pizza, but I'm not a. Y'all already know I eat meat, right? So I'm not a vegetarian, but she is. So I'm a pescatarian, whatever it's called. Yeah, she eats seafood. I remember I was one years ago. I was, you know, class spinach, y'all. So I'm not gonna stay long, y'all. I love y'all so much, y'all. Please subscribe to your girl. Subway pizza, go try one. Get it vegetarian. I mean, get it. Get it. Either y'all can get it with some meat on it or not. Okay, so y'all go and try one. I love y'all so much. Subscribe.